Habang tayo ay nagdiriwang, nais din nating alalahanin ang isang atletang nagbigay ng malaking inspirasyon sa ating lahat. Ang ating MVP, si Rene Clerc Baterbonia. Last April 28, 2026, Coach Jess handed to me an R.D. Allen, the jersey of Bobet. Coach Jess, I really wonder, kasi nag-chat tayo, sabi mo, ang ibibigay mong jersey ay kay Matt Cayetano. And I wondered last April 28, why the jersey of Rene? Because when we exchange messages, yun ang pangako mo. Later, I realized that it carries a deeper meaning. What was once a symbol of Rene's passion for the game has become cherished. Reminder of the life, the dreams, and the inspiration he shared with so many. Kami ni RD, we never imagined that the simple jersey would one day represent memories that we hold so dearly. You will greatly be missed, Rene. You should be here. Your talent on the court, your humility of it, and the joy you brought those around you will forever remain in our hearts. Though your journey ended too soon, your legacy will continue to inspire many dream, persevere, and strive for excellence. Ano nga sabi ni Rene? I'm just a kid with a big dream. His remarkable achievements brought honor to Davao City and inspired us all to dream bigger. Ngunit hindi sa kanyang medalya. Kung wala sa kanyang medalya, of course, he has contributed much to the success of Davao Dorians and Davao Eagles. Sa kanyang mga medalyang nakamit mula noong 2025 na nagkampiyon ang kupunan nila sa kalarong pambansa sa Ilocos, maalala natin si Rene bilang isang mapagkumbaba, masipag at mabuting tao. Ang kanyang pagpanaw ay napakalaking pagkawala, hindi lamang sa mundo ng sports, kundi lalo na sa kanyang pamilya. Ngayong araw, kasama natin si Rene. Kasama natin sa panalangin ang kanyang pamilya. Walang anumang parangal ang makapupuno sa sakit ng pagkawala ng isang anak. Ngunit sana ay magsilbing kapanatagan para sa kanila kahit kaunti ang kalamang ang buhay ni Rene ay naging inspirasyon sa napakaraming Davaoenyong atleta. Palakpakan natin ang bawat isa. We should pursue bigger and greater because his legacy will continue to live in every young athlete who chooses perseverance, discipline, and excellence.